Sending an email blast on Mailchimp involves creating and dispatching a mass email campaign to your audience. Here's a concise guide to doing it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Create a campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab in the main dashboard. Click Create Campaign and select Email from the options. Choose Campaign Type. Select Regular for a standard email blast. Click Begin to start. Set up campaign details. Enter a campaign name to identify it later. Fill in the To section by selecting the audience or segment you want to target. Configure email settings. In the From section, set the name and email address that will appear to recipients. Write an engaging subject line and optional preview text in the Subject section. Design your email. Click Design Email to open the email builder. Choose a template and customize it using Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor. Add text, images, and links as needed. Review and test. Click Preview to see how your email looks. Send a test email to yourself to check for any issues. Send or schedule. Click Continue to review your campaign. Click Send to dispatch immediately or schedule to send at a later date.